1, Subject Maths, Chapter 1. Small, Big. Small, Big. Children, look here, I have got two pencils in my hand. Can you tell me which pencil is a big one and which one is small? Madam, this pencil is big and that pencil is small. Good. Now these are two chalks. Which chalk is small and which one is big? Madam, the broken chalk in your left hand is small and the whole chalk in your right hand is big. That's right. Now I will draw two circles on the blackboard. You have to tell me which circle is big and which one is small. Madam, the first circle is small and the second circle is big. Well said. Today we are going to discuss small and big. I am going to show you some pictures and you have to tell me what do you see in them. What do you see in these pictures? Madam, these are clocks. Correct. How many clocks do you see? Madam, there are two clocks. Are both these clocks of the same size? No, madam. One clock is small and other clock is a big one. Good. Which clock is big? The square clock is a big one. That's right. Now have a look at the second picture. What do you see in it? Madam, we can see a bus and a car in it. Good. Are both these vehicles of the same size? No, madam. The bus is big and the car is small. Very good. Now tell me, what do you see in this picture? Madam, there are two earthen pots in this picture. One is with a tap and the other is without a tap. That's right. Now can you tell me which pot is big and which one is small? Madam, the pot with a tap is big and the pot without a tap is small. That's right. Now look at this last picture. Tell me what it is and tell me which is the big and the small object. Madam, these are two balls. The green ball is small and the black and white ball is the big one. Very good. This means that all of you have understood what is small and what is big very well. Now you have to color as I tell you. Yes, madam. From these clocks, color the square below the bigger clock green. Good. Now color the square below the smaller vehicle yellow. Now color the square below the smaller pot red. And now the last one. Color the square below the bigger ball blue. Wow, very nice. Now you have to practice this at home also.